I don't know who needs to hear this, but you have to be taping your partner's mouth shut when they're sleeping. Mouth breathing every night can cause horrible breath, loud snoring, and even headaches throughout the day. If you're scared to use mouth tape and struggle to breathe through your nose, these nasal clips have 2 magnets that apply a gentle pressure to the septum of your nose, which will allow you to open up your nasal passage and start breathing better. As you can see, he finally stopped snoring. Now I can go back to sleep and won't be living with a mouth breather anymore.